Appeal Court strikes out Akpabio's motions against Senator Natasha, orders 100,000 naira cost. The Court of Appeal in Abuja has struck out two motions filed by Senate President Akpabio against a Federal High Court judgment that barred the Senate Committee on Ethics, Privileges and Public Petitions from conducting disciplinary proceedings against Senator Natasha Akpabio. That's good. The motions, dated March 20 and March 25, 2025, respectively sought permission to appeal the March 10, 2025 decision of the Federal High Court, Abuja Judicial Division, delivered by Justice Obiora Egwatu. Justice Egwatu's ruling in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/384/2025 between Senator Akpabio and the Clerk of the National Assembly and the Clerk of the and three others, granted an injunction restraining the Senate Committee from proceeding with the disciplinary action against Akpabio. The decision followed an ex parte application by her counsel. Senator Akpabio, who represents the Kogi Senatorial District, had been summoned by the Senate Committee following an altercation with Akpabio on February 20, 2025. The two motions were subsequently struck out after Akpabio's legal team filed applications to withdraw them. According to the document, the Kogi senator prayed that the court grant an order restraining the Senate and its Ethics Committee from proceeding with the purported investigation against her. Akpabio asked the court to grant an order declaring that any action taken during the pendency of the suit is null, void, and of no effect whatsoever. The presiding judge ruled that the defendant should come and show cause within 72 hours upon the service of the order, while an interlocutory injunction should not be issued against them. Not satisfied with the decision of the court, Senator Akpabio appealed against the order through his counsel, Deborah D. Anyanwu. The appellant sought, among others, an order of this honorable court enlarging the time within which the appellant's applications may seek leave to appeal against the decision of the Federal High Court, Abuja Judicial Division in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/384/2025 between Senator Natasha Akpabio versus Clerk of the National Assembly of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and 3 ORS, Quorum Honorable Justice Obiora Egwatu, delivered on 10th of March 2025 on grounds of mixed laws and facts as contained in the proposed notice of appeal attached as Exhibit B. An order of this Honorable Court granting leave to the applicant to appeal against his decision of the Federal High Court, Abuja Judicial Division in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/384/2025 between Senator Natasha Akpabio versus Clerk of the National Assembly of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and 3 ORS, delivered on the 10th of March 2025 on grounds of mixed laws and facts as contained in the proposed notice of appeal attached as Exhibit B. An order of this Honorable Court enlarging the time within which the applicant may file their notice of appeal against the decision of the appeal of the Federal High Court, Abuja Judicial Division in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/384/2025 between Senator Natasha Akpabio versus Clerk of the National Assembly. Again, another of this Honorable Court staying further proceeding in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/384 between Senator Natasha Akpabio versus Clerk of the National Assembly. Who is this clerk, sef? And 3 ORS, Quorum Honorable Justice Obiora Egwatu, pending the hearing and determination of the appellant/applicant's appeal before this Honorable Court. Ruling on the motion which were identical in content but filed on different dates. The Court of Appeal struck them out following an application by Akpabio's legal team to withdraw them. In the decision delivered on May 21, 2025, the three-member panel of justices, led by Justice Hammer A. Barker, also ordered Senate President Akpabio to pay 100,000 naira in court to the first respondent, Senator Natasha. The court's enrolled order, signed by the Deputy Chief Registrar, Josephine J. Akpabio, confirmed that the application to withdraw the motion was granted and the motions were accordingly struck out. Additionally, the court directed that appeal number CA/ABJ/PRA/ROA/CV/395M/2025 be deleted from his record. Okay. Justice Baka delivered the lead judgment with Justices Adebukola A. Banjoko and Okon Iyaban concurring. The court decisions partly read: this court, Wednesday, the 21st day of May, 2025, upon reading the motion on notice filed on the 20th of March 2025 and 25th of March 2025, together with the affidavit in support deposed by Toyo Jimmy, and after hearing Deborah Adianyamu for the appellant, Peter Everybody, with Daniel Akpabio, A. Imadegbelo, and Y. M. Zakari for the first respondent, Arnold Uba for the third respondent, it is hereby ordered that application seeking to withdraw the two motions dated and filed on the 20th of March and 25th of March is granted and same struck out. Cost of 100,000 naira awarded to the first respondent, appeal number CA/ABJ/PRA/ROA/CV/395M/2025 to be deleted. So that case of them trying to impeach her or trying to remove her from the Senate, it has been cancelled. Oh, so he also paid 100,000 naira, no be small thing. Excellency said, since they started this saga, Akpabio never see draw. Natasha, small for your eyes. You know small, low. Peter Essien says he withdrew the case, hence decision by the appeal court, as it is standard judicial procedure. Thank you for telling us that he withdrew the case. Why did he withdraw it? It's because Natasha is still leading on. Because if not, why did he withdraw it? You were the one that went to file a suit against somebody, and then you are now withdrawing it. Oh. Steven says something that could have been settled amicably. He chose intimidation. Do you get? He chose to intimidate the woman. Forgetting that not everyone responds fearfully to intimidation. The woman is ready for him. Anywhere you want to go, I'll go follow you. The woman is ready, and he knows that he is guilty. They are now pushing you to intimidate her. You want to intimidate her. Peterson said, therefore, Bill and well, I'm telling you, that 100,000 naira is too small. Chicken change. Anthony says, the guy don't start to this sweat, to be small. When Naria says 100k, is it for Fura? I be is it for Gary? Or is it for Eba? The money is too small, I beg. 100,000 naira fine. To buy Maggie, I don't know. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thought. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.